Turning your engine AM313. All turning good, very strong compression as you can see. The front all looks good, I didn't see any damages here. On this side all looks good as well, pressure looking good, starter looking like so, and on the back side all looks good as you can see, no damages, the gearbox in good condition, and on the top all looks like so. On this side all looks good as you can see. Turbo is in good condition, altimeter looking good, oil sound looking good as well, underneath no damage, no broken. And turning your engine AM313. Thank you.